Hello my little friends, welcome to a fun learning adventure. Today we will learn about vegetables and fruits, the yummy and healthy foods that keep us strong. Do you know which one is a vegetable and which one is a fruit? No worries, let's find out together. Let's start with vegetable. These are parts of plants like bud, root, leaf, and stem. Let's go. Look at these colorful vegetables. Let's start with cabbage. This round leafy vegetable is cabbage. It comes in green, purple and white colors. Cabbage is good for digestion. It's full of vitamins to keep us strong. Do you know how you can eat it? You can eat in salad, stir fries and soup. And you can make wrap out of it. And do you know the fun fact about a cabbage? Cabbage can be stored for months in cold weather. This is an artichoke. It has a unique shape and is very healthy. It's good for the liver and digestion, packed with fiber and antioxidants. Do you know how do we eat artichoke? You can eat after steaming with some dips used in salads and pasta. The fun fact about artichoke is actually it is a flower bud. Carrot. This is a carrot. It is crunchy and usually orange, but it can also be purple, yellow and white. Carrot is great for our eyes. Keeps our skin and body very healthy. You can eat carrot raw in salad and snacks, and also can make soup and curries. The fun fact about carrot is carrots were originally purple, not orange. This is a cucumber. It is green, crunchy and full of water. Keeps us cool and hydrated. This is great for our skin. Cucumber can be eaten raw in salad and sandwiches. You can make juices also. The fun fact about cucumber are it is actually a fruit, but we eat them as vegetables. This is broccoli. It looks like a tiny tree. Good for our bones and heart. It fights germs and keeps us safe. Broccoli can be eaten. It is steamed, stir-fried or in soups. You can add it to pasta and rice dishes. The fun fact about broccoli, it belongs to the cabbage family. These are onion, garlic and chili. They add flavor and spice to our food. Onion, good for our heart. And garlic fights colds and keeps us strong. Chili boosts metabolism and makes food spicy. It is used in almost every dish for extra flavor. fun fact is chilies can be red, green, yellow, or even purple sometimes. These colorful vegetables are bell pepper, zucchini, and eggplant. Bell pepper, full of vitamin C. Zucchini keeps our body fresh, and eggplant, good for the brain and heart. You can eat bell peppers raw or cooked in pasta, pizza, and stir-fried. Zucchini can be eaten after grilling, roasting, or made into noodles. You can eat eggplant cooked in curries or roasted dishes. A fun fact about eggplant: eggplants are actually berries. Pumpkin and sweet potatoes. These are pumpkin and sweet potato. They are sweet and packed with energy. Pumpkin, good for our eyes and skin, and sweet potato gives us energy and keeps our tummy happy. Pumpkin used in soup, pies, and curries. Sweet potatoes boiled, roasted, or fried. The fun fact about pumpkins can be orange, green, or even blue. Celery and potatoes. These are celery and potato. One is leafy and the another is a root vegetable. Celery keeps our body fresh and hydrated, and potato gives us energy and is very filling. We eat celery raw in salads, soup, and smoothies. And we eat potatoes boiled, mashed, roasted, or fried. Potatoes were the first vegetables grown in space. Did you know this? Vegetables are colorful, tasty, and super healthy. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment box. This is now review time. Let's play a game. Can you guess what vegetable is this? What vegetable is this? It's eggplant. What vegetable is this? It's cucumber. What vegetable is this? It's bell pepper. What vegetable is this? It's chili. What vegetable is this? It's an onion. What vegetable is this? It's garlic. What vegetable is this? It's celery. What vegetable is this? It's potato. What vegetable is this? It's pumpkin. And what is this? Cabbage. What about this? A carrot. What is this green vegetable? Zucchini. What about this tiny tree? It's broccoli. Kids, now you know all the vegetables. Next time you see any vegetable, please name it and see if you know it or not. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment box which is your favorite vegetable. See you in the next video with a fun learn.